So today I'm at this place called King Laundrette. I'm just picking up my dry cleaning, and then after that I'm gonna drive down to Leeds to go to my friend's house because I need him to check out the car. It's not sounding too great right now. Like when you start it up, the RPM fluctuates back and forth, it goes up and down, and when you're driving it, it also kind of jerks back and forth. But this is only like at the beginning. After driving for a while, it then becomes alright, so I don't know what's up with it. So that's why we're going down to Leeds to get it checked out. Yeah, we'll see how this goes. Anyway, like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get into the video. There's a car that's parked next to me and it sounds super crazy and looks super nice as well. It's a Mercedes though, so I don't know. friend's house now. That's his car right there. And now we just wait.
Dark out is supposed to be a round spoon to save from the speakers so it doesn't vibrate.
No, he did that before as well. Before. Yeah.
Before it did it.
Yeah, when I first got a car as well. So I just want you to check it because obviously if I take it to Audi, you know.
Yeah, I also had some problems with this car. Crazy. That's crazy loud. Alright, so first let's open up this. Damn, this is way too fast. Alright, here we go. So I'm just gonna move this chair back like real quick. It's way too forward. Alright. So, I don't know if you guys can hear that, but just listen. Yeah, so that's the sound right there. Damn, it is super loud. You hear it like taking away from everywhere.